Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to tap on About Tablet, which is at the top of the list. Now we have to find this OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. After this information, we can go back to this left section and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down and enter developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can show view updates, we can change the window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got the options which are connected with the networking overall, and basically everything works the same just like in the regular settings. So simply tap on the switcher to turn on the feature. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and tap on it again to turn it off completely. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options and you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on this switcher at the top. As you can see, you will need to restart your device to completely turn off the developer options. After tapping on restart, your device will basically, of course, restart itself and the developer options will disappear from those additional settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the OS versions tab and keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.